Hello, I'm Tom Collins, a web developer at Lincoln Technology and Training. Today, I want to discuss with you about how to pass your SAfe DevOps Practitioner examination. I recently completed my SAfe DevOps certification exams, and it was great. The experience was so awesome that I've been inspired to share my story with you. So before we go ahead and talk about the tips that can help you pass your SAfe DevOps examination, let me first define what Agile, SAfe, and DevOps stand for. Agile simply refers to continual incremental improvements via short, frequent releases. As a project management methodology, Agile is typically linked with software development. SAFE stands for the Scaled Agile Framework. It's a set of workflows for applying Agile principles at the corporate level. SAFE is a body of knowledge that contains systematic instructions on how to manage work as well as ideals to uphold. DevOps is a methodology that brings together the software development and IT operations teams to collaborate on the whole service life cycle from design to the development process to production and support. Now, how do you pass your SAfe DevOps certificate exams? In order to pass your SAfe DevOps certificate exams, you need to go through training first. You need to understand the terms that DevOps are, the principles, the methodologies, the culture, the mindset of DevOps. You have to build yourself to understand what DevOps means and its importance to your team and your organization as a whole. It all comes down to your dedication during the training and your preparation towards it. Before you take the exams, you should go through the SAFE documents and all the resources that will be provided to you by the SAFE. They are very reasonable and they are very important that you go through it because they provide information that will let you understand how the exams is going to come across, and it also ensures that you are prepared for the exams that you are going to take with your registered partner. By taking the training, you are equipped with the knowledge to go forth with the examination. However, that isn't all yet. Secondly, you need to go through all the documents that are provided to you by your trainers. Your trainers will give you some equipment, the book, and the course brochure that includes reasonable information about the SAFE DevOps certificate examination. By doing that, you get knowledge of how the examination is going to go. You get relevant information about the date, when it's going to come out. And then you can then schedule yourself to learn towards it. Now, yes, you have taken the training. You have read through all the necessary documents that were provided to you by your trainers. Now, it is up to you to implement what you have learned from the course into your daily activities. By implementing what you've learned from the course, is going to help you to understand the DevOps practices and adopt them as a culture. In that way, you get a deeper understanding of what DevOps really is, and you'll be able to express these terms and practices in your own words. So my point number 3 that I'm laying emphasis on is that you implement what you have learned. Implement it in your activities, implement it in your development process. Make use of the tools. There is the SAFE DevOps Radar that is provided through the course. By looking at the SAFE DevOps Radar, it allows you to measure the health of DevOps implementation in your team. It makes you understand how good your team understands the DevOps that you are practicing. So make use of it. Measure yourself. How do you understand it? Take each and every step continuous exploration, continuous delivery, continuous integration. Measure all these fields, and then you will have a better understanding and be able to explain these terms in your own words. So you have successfully implemented the knowledge that you learned from the training or the course that you took into your daily activities. Yes, that is a good point. Now, take the practice exams. Before taking the exams, your lectures during the training will introduce you to the Skilled Agile community. The Skilled Agile community provides you a platform where you will take your examination. On the platform, you will find the practice examination. The practice examination is going to equip you with knowledge and understanding of the procedures that you can take the examination. The questions on the practice examination might not necessarily come on the main examination. However, they equip you to take the main examination, and also they give you an experience of how the main examination is going to feel like. So I advise you to continuously take the practice exams. At least before taking the main examination, I advise that you take the practice examinations about 4 or even 5 times. Now, each time that you take the practice examination, it is important that you note that they will provide you a report on your strong points and your weaknesses. This enables you to identify your weaknesses. And by identifying your weaknesses, you are able to work on it. Work on your weaknesses. Find out where you went wrong. Why were you not able to answer the question? Go back to your books. Go back to the course. Understand, you can ask your trainers for any question or any confusion that you find yourself in. This will allow you to have a better understanding of the course as a whole. So the practice test will equip you to be able to master and be comfortable when taking your main examination. Take your main examination as soon as possible. Don't rush. Don't put pressure on yourself. Be calm. Now, prepare yourself. Make sure you have gone through the training, or make sure you have taken the course. Make sure that you have tried practicing the DevOps methodologies by applying them in your software development activities with your team. And also, make sure you have at least taken the practice test about 3 times. When you are done, then as soon as possible, take the main exams. You take the main exams as soon as possible because you have a fresh mind. Your knowledge is fresh. You understand what you have now learned. This is the time that you have the confidence to take the examination. Do not push the examination far out. Do not push it away. Well, don't feel anxious about taking the examination. Feel free, take the exams. You have 3 chances on taking your SAfe DevOps examination. By taking the DevOps examination early, allows you to use what you have learned and what is still fresh in your mind to pass the exams once and for all. You have 1 month period to make sure that you take the examination after registration. So that's 30 days. You have 30 days to prepare yourself. So within 30 days, take the exams and make sure that you do not wait for the deadline and put pressure on yourself before you take the examination. The last but not the least is that you have to get a partner. In order to take the SAfe DevOps certificate examination, you need to train under a SAfe DevOps partner. Your partner will register you for the exams that you are interested in. Now, in regards to this, if you are looking for a SAfe partner that are sure to equip you with the knowledge that you need, the confidence to pass your examination, then I advise you to come to Lean Icon Training and Technology. Lean Icon Training and Technology have consultants and trainers and coaches who are going to put you on your toes. They are going to make sure that you understand what you are learning. And these trainers are going to equip you with all the knowledge that you need in order to pass your SAfe DevOps examination. Thank you. These are my tips on how you can pass your SAfe DevOps certificate examination. My name is Tom Collins and I'm from Lean Icon Technology.